Plunge is one of the most impressive strength moves that there is, and we're going to start at the ground level and work our way up. The best way to get a full plunge is by working through a tuck plunge progression. But what if you can't do a tuck plunge? That's what today's workout is going to address. We're going to get into this push-up position and lean forward, and then slide our toes in while keeping them on the ground. That right there is going to allow us to keep some weight on our feet, and then also stress our shoulders in the exact same way. There's something called specificity in training, where you only develop strength for the movements that you're working. Whereas if you want to get a plunge, a really bad way to do that would be calf raises. But by doing this move right here, you're going to get the results that you're looking for, which is going to be that first step towards that eventual plunge. So we're going to do a very simple workout. It's going to be 4 rounds, 30 seconds on, a 1-minute rest. We're going to do that, and we're going to develop our shoulder strength. You can use this as a little addition to any of your training. Plug this into any other shoulder workout that you're doing as a little Lego block that you can insert and move towards that full plunge. So let's get started with it. We're going to be doing 4 rounds, 30 seconds on, a 45-second rest, and we're going to focus specifically on this move right here, where we lean forward and then keep our feet on the ground as we slide them in and hold this for 30 seconds. Keeping the feet on the ground is going to make it just that much easier. So if you want to get on the ground, get going with me, we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, 30 seconds of this foot-supported plunge lean. We're here, we're breathing, push the ground away, have the hands slightly turned out, the toes stay on the ground. If you want to make it harder, you can lift 1 foot up. 15 seconds left. 14, 13, push the ground away. 12, 11, 10, keep fighting. 9, 8, 7, really push the ground away. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, we have a minute rest. We're doing great. So what can you do during the rest? You can take the backs of the hands, put them together, and pull up like this. This is called an inverted prayer stretch, and it's going to decompress your wrists. Your wrists take a huge beating whenever you do a plunge. You also just shake them out like you're drying your hands, interlock the fingers, and roll them in a figure 8 pattern. It's a bunch of things that maybe your shoulders are sore because you were leaning far ahead. You can shake them out side to side, or relax them and massage them. There's a bunch of things you can do, or you can just sit there, breathe, think about the weather. It's a nice day out. We're about halfway through the break. We're gonna go another 30 seconds. You can stretch out your back, whatever you want to do. Smile. Also, if you want to practice a movement pattern, that's one of my favorite things to do during the break. You can focus on protracting your shoulders. We'll talk about that more during the next set. But basically, while you're doing this movement, you want to be pushing the ground away, rounding your shoulder blades together, because if the retract, your scapula is going to wing, which means it sticks out from the rib and you're weaker in that position. Let's get going for the second set, 30 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Lean forward, slide the feet in as far as you can, so there's minimal weight in them. You should feel heavy in the hands, light in the toes. We're 20 seconds in. 20 seconds left. 15, 14, push the ground away. 13, 12, project those shoulders. 11, 10, 9, 8, straight arms. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Okay, we have another minute break. Again, decompress the wrists, massage the shoulders, or practice protracting. So, protracting means pushing the shoulder blades apart and forwards. Retracting means pulling them back and pinching them together. So, what you can do is you can have your hands out in front and imagine keeping your arms straight and pushing somebody away. That right there is protracting the shoulders, and that's the position that you want to hold while you're doing this. It's easy to hold it in a retracted position, but it's going to prevent you from ever getting that proper form, and also it can lead to shoulder injuries because you're keeping your shoulders in a very extended position. It allows your chest to assist more, which is a stronger muscle than your shoulders, but you're not going to have as much control, and eventually you're going to have a hard time balancing. Protracting is the proper way to do a full plunge. Breathe in and out. Get your mind ready to go. We're going to get started in 10 seconds with the third round. Again, we're doing 4 rounds, 30 seconds on, 1 minute rest. This is going to be round 3. So get yourself in that push-up position. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. Draw the toes in. Keep them on the ground. Come on. Time's going to fly by. Just push the ground away. Remember to breathe. Sharp inhale, and then let the exhale go. Got 4 more breaths. Slow breaths. 10 seconds left, come on. 2 more breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. We have 1 more round left. The workout does not need to be complicated to get great results. It's just about doing the right movement pattern. And this is as close as you can get to doing that full plunge. That's what you're looking for from your workouts. You don't need some sort of creative, crazy exercise if a simple one is going to do it. And you can plug this quick little 5-6 minute routine into your existing shoulder workout right at the beginning. The move that you want the most in your training, that's where it should come at the beginning of your training, because that's where you can bring the highest intensity. So, practice that shoulder protraction or massage the shoulders, decompress the wrists, whatever works for you. I'm gonna shake them out. I'm feeling like shaking them out today. Get some blood moving through them. I'm doing huggers. Give myself some love. Breathe in and out. We're gonna go in 20 seconds. Shake them out, just sit here, neck from side to side. Project the shoulders, close your eyes. Imagine holding that. Breathe in, out, hold that. We're gonna go. Final round. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lean forward. Slide the toes in. Keep yourself on the top of your toes. Push the ground away. Look at that. 5 seconds are already gone. That was nothing. Just got to do that another 4 times because we are at 20 seconds right now. Keep pushing the ground away. Arms stay locked out straight. Lean forward. Stay on the toes. Protect the shoulders. 10, 9, 8, 7. Really push it. 6, 5, 4, 3. Lean forward. 2, 1. And there you go. That right there is the end of the workout. So let's go ahead and decompress the shoulders a little bit. You can do this by placing the hands on the lower back right here and just arching back like this. This is just the exact opposite motion of what we did. Rather than crunching our core in and protecting the shoulders, we're retracting the shoulders and pushing our core out to stretch it. Breathe in, another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can come down to child's pose if you're done, or you can move on to the rest of your workout if you need to keep going. Breathe in and out. Now, if you like this workout, go ahead and click subscribe. I release daily workouts you can follow along with. And if you want to get those workouts delivered to your email inbox, you can sign up at waterstone.com. As always, thanks for getting better.